Hello, my name is Mukesh Baitrina, 9th standard English. Lesson number 1, chapter number 1, The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. Lesson number 1, The Fun They Had. We see the character sketch, the main theme of the lesson. In this chapter, the author tries to tell us about the classroom and school of the future. In future, what type of school will be there? What type of classroom will be there? Author tries to give that picture with robotic or mechanical teachers. According to the author, in future, real teacher not there, but robotic or mechanical teachers there, means in the form of computer. According to the writer, in coming years in future, the story describes the feeling of two students about the school of the past. Two students who discuss about the past, means in future, as you know, real teacher will not be there. The students study in the schools of future and they talk about the school of past. They love the school of the past and wanted to be a part of that. They loved the school of past and wanted to be a part of that. They don't like future school and they wanted to join or wanted to think about the school of past. They rejoice at the feeling of being taught by a human teacher. They rejoice, enjoy, want to enjoy the particular feelings, guidance given by the real teacher or human teacher. They anticipate the fun of being together with other children of their age. When they learn about the past school and they have experience of future school, they don't like the school of future, they like the school of past, because have to go to the school together, enjoy, going together, coming together, talking, doing masti. So they like the school of past. What will happen or why they like the school of past? We see about the character. How many characters are there in this particular lesson? Margie, a girl of 11 years who wished to be a part of school of the past. First character name, that is Margie, girl of around 11 years who wished to part of the school of the past. Second character, Tommy, a boy of 13 years who lives close to Margie. Second character, Tommy, a boy of around 13 years. Third, Margie's mother, a lady who was very disciplined and was careful about the hours of study of her daughter. Third, Margie's mother. First character we have seen Margie, a girl of 11-year-old who wished to be the part of the school. Second, Tommy, a boy of around 13 years who lived close to Margie's. Third, Margie's mother, a lady who was very disciplined and was careful about the hours of study of her daughter. Then county inspector, a round little man with a red face who comes to repair the mechanical teacher of Margie. There are main four characters Margie, Tommy, Margie's mother, and county inspector. County inspector means who repair the computer, means teacher. Clear? So in this lesson we study that the school of past and the school of future, children who will study in the school of future, they wanted to join in the school of past, because in the school of future they will have to learn at home, separate room keeping. It is school for that particular child. Computer is there, mechanical teacher, not real teacher. And mechanical teacher, as you know, who has no heart, no pity. That is why they don't have to study in particular room, or that is the school. That means they cannot or will not come out from their house. They cannot go together to the school. They cannot come together from the school, because school is near his house, means in this house separate room. That is school for the child. So naturally child don't like. Continuously in the presence of parents, they cannot do that type of masti. And other child is not there. So how can they do the masti with the other child? That is why they don't like this. Clear? Now the summary of the chapter. Summary, short theme of the chapter. What is coming in this lesson? The present story is set in the future when children don't have traditional book and school. As today we have the books, pages, books, they don't have. And like the school will not be found in future. This type of books will not be found. This type of school will not be found. Margie, a little girl in the story, makes a diary entry. Tommy found a real book. Who wrote diary entry that Tommy, as you know, a boy of 13 years, found a book, real book like this. The entry reveals the date 21st May 2157, showing that the story is set much into the future. They found a book in which the entry also reveals that, if you see the date 21st May 2157, means in future, after 137 years we find this type of school. The book was a very old one, just like the one that her grandfather had in his time as a student. Found a book as grandfather studied in his time. Its pages were yellow and she found it funny to read the words that were not moving like that on a computer screen. And in that book, as you know, pages were yellow, and like this, as today we are using the book, like these words printed on this, which is not moving on the computer screen. This book, as you know, not moving on the computer screen. That is why, believing like this, that when they saw this type of book, they remain in surprise, because their grandfather studied, means before many years, and they remain in surprise seeing the book, because in future this type of book will not be available. Everything we find on the computer. Mechanical teacher, real teacher will not be there, and that is why they remain in surprised. Feeling about the book. Second point, when Tommy had the book in his hand, he called it a waste, because after one time reading it could be thrown away. When Tommy had a book, he called it waste, because one time reading then thrown away, wasted. The same feeling was with Margie too. Margie also felt like this, that after reading it, there is no use of the book, and that is why it is nothing else but wasting. Tommy found that book in the attic of his house, and that book was about a school. Tommy, a boy of 13 years, found that book in the attic of his house. In the house, he found this book, and about this book is about school. Margie hated her school and her mechanical teacher a lot. Margie, the girl of 11 years, didn't like the school of future. She hated and also hated mechanical teacher. Her teacher was not a living being. See, her teacher was not living means not human being. He was an image that flashed on her screen in her study room. He had that type of image in her study room. And her teacher was not a living being, he was an image that flashed on her screen in a study room. He gave her test after test in geography. These computer teachers, not real teachers, giving test after test of particular subject, geography. And she was not doing well. She was not master in particular subject, geography. And mechanical teacher taking the test after test in geography, naturally not liking subject and that test coming, so students will not attend with that type of enthusiasm, because one way they don't like particular subject and that subject test coming, then naturally they don't like. Her failure in geography had invited an inspector who tried to trace out of the problem. She fell in particular subject. So this particular inspector, what you call it, county inspector, was called. So her mother had asked the county inspector to come and find what was wrong in this particular subject. Why she was not doing well in that subject? Why she was weak in geography? Why she didn't like to give the test? And that is why her mother called county inspector to repair mechanical teacher computer, not real teacher. The arrival of the county inspector. The county inspector was a round little man with a red face. Who has red face? And Margie had thought that he would take her mechanical teacher away completely, but it was not so. Margie thought that when county inspector came, that he will take the mechanical teacher so that no need of study, no need of keeping tension. The inspector said the teacher right within an hour or so. Within an hour, the mechanical teacher was set right, means the county inspector had repaired the mechanical teacher. He told her mother that nothing was wrong with the girl, rather the screen was too fast for the girl and therefore Margie was having trouble. County inspector tell her mother, no need of taking tension, it was somehow too fast, comparing the age of this girl, and he said that he had set this particular mechanical teacher and make it slow. So Margie was having trouble. Why? Margie thought that county inspector come and taking mechanical teacher to his house for repairing, and it take times around 1 week, 2 week. During this time, as teacher is not there, so no need of study. But county inspector repaired there and there. County inspector didn't take mechanical teacher to his house and repair within 1 hour. So Margie was in trouble. Now it had been slowed down to that she would be okay and it's with its level. County inspector said that the particular computer was somehow fast and telling that nothing wrong in this. So he repaired there and there. He could not take the mechanical device to his house and repair within 1 hour. So Margie was not satisfied with this particular work done by the county inspector, and he had made it slow because according to the age have to keep this particular speed. Naturally higher age then higher speed, less age then less speed, then it is possible that child can understand. If this particular screen remain fast, then before child understand anything, this particular words going, then how he or she can understand? That is why county inspector made it slow and telling that nothing wrong in this particular point or in this particular field. The old kind of school. The old kind of school. On reading that book, Tommy had a discussion about the school with Margie. After reading this book, Tommy discussed about the particular school with Margie. The old kind of school were a building common to all. This particular old kind of school were a building, big building, and common to all with human teachers. Means teachers also, real teachers, human teacher also teaching. Who would teach all the boys and girls the same thing? Same study, same standard, then naturally same things. The real teacher teaching in old school. If they were of the same age means same standard and same subject, they, the real teacher teaches about the past school. They were discussing that why we don't like present school, future school, because they have to learn through the mechanical teacher, computer. Second, they have to study in their house, one special room, and in that room particular mechanical teacher there. So they don't like this, one has to study only, and that is why they talk about this, that we don't like future school and we like past school for that reason, that real teacher teaching, they can go to school together, friends, neighbors, study same subject there, same thing there, so they can enjoy going to the school and coming back from the school. They study together, they laugh together, they play together, and that is why they like this school. In future school like this they don't find, because they have to remain at home near their particular room, one small room there, that is school for the child, on which only mechanical device, computer is lying, and that is why they don't like this. They do not enjoy going to the school together. They do not like this particular point, particular thing, and that is why they think about this particular matter that we cannot enjoy. So what is the reason about this? What is the particular point about this? So that they can enjoy. That is why they hated their school, future school, and they like past school for that reason, that in the school of future, mechanical teacher is there. Human being, real teacher will not teach. They have to learn from the mechanical device, and that is why they don't like it. So they wanted to join, they wanted to go to the school where all students going together, enjoying while coming and going. And that is why they had higher desire to study in the real school where real teacher teaching. You can ask, then he can give answer, he can tell joke, makes the student laugh while enjoying and attending the lecture. In mechanical device, mechanical teacher, we cannot find this type of school, and that is why they don't like. So naturally, in the child age, in early age, particular students who has time for enjoying together, and they have to remain in their house, one type of prison, what you call it. They have to learn from the mechanical device, computer. They could not enjoy this. When real book is not there, same words not found. As you know, the book remains on the screen. It goes fast. While real book, you can see at any time same words you find printed in this real book. That is why they don't like this. And particularly, when that type of feelings you do not have, then we cannot, or they cannot enjoy. That is why they hated future school, the school of their time, and they like past school for that reason, that in future school they do not have any type of fun. They could not enjoy, and that is why they liked all kind of school for that reason, that all these particular enjoyment according to them they could enjoy in future, and that type of enjoyment they will not find in the school of future. Not getting enjoyment learning from the mechanical teacher, mechanical device, and that is why they think like this, that they must have to face this type of difficulties, and they don't like the school of future because the room is near particular their room or house, that is school for them. So they will not come out from their house and have to learn through the mechanical device. It is not good at all, it is not proper at all, and that is why they don't like the future school, they like past school. And they discussed about this, that have to go in the past school, have to go where particular building is there, common building, and real human teacher who teaches All the boys and girls same thing, because same age, they study in same standard, so naturally age same standard. That is why teacher also teaches boys and girls in this particular same way, and they can enjoy. That is what we learn from this particular story, that the child or the children who like past school, not future school, not that time of school, and that is why they thought that if they study or get a chance as their grandfather studied in the past, real book were there, real teacher were there, human being, not mechanical device, and their grandfather could enjoy going to the school, coming back from the school, and that is why they like it very much. Clear? We are end of this lecture. For homework, you will have to read this complete page and remember the story in short. Clear? Chapter sketch about the characters, then summary of the chapters in this diary entry, feelings about the book, arrival of the county inspector, and then all kind of book, school, all kind of school. These particular points we have seen that you have to read and prepare so that you can remember it, the story in short, and this particular page you will have to write one time in homework. Clear? Okay, bye.